Hey guys, welcome to another day of the R6 Repaint Refresh series. So the plan today is to remove the rest of the fairings and start sanding, primer, and then maybe paint today. I don't know how it's gonna go. I've got the paint sorted from a local shop here. They are making a custom color for me, which is gonna look cool and sick. Looking forward to it, so let's go. The idea is to remove all the fairings, so those guys here, those guys, all the screws and everything. Take out the seat, which is like a bolt from underneath it. Remove the front fairing, remove the front mudguard or fender, I don't know how you guys call it. And yeah, let's go and have fun. Cool, so now we've got those two guys here removed, both sides, and the trick that I'm making here is bolting everything again, screwing everything again to know exactly where the screw goes. See, this guy, this guy, this guy, this one here, I found out that is, yeah, and this side here too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this guy, where else, this guy, and the last one. This should come off. Let's go. Look what we've got here. Complete front fairing. Here I'm gonna have to trim a little bit this edge here because the brake lever is touching on full lock. So yeah, let's see the bike now. Oh, she's naked now. Yay, there you go. See all the screws back. There you go, there she is. I'm not gonna remove the fender just yet. I'm gonna leave it for now. I will see if I will paint it or not. So this guy will come off as well soon. I'm planning on modding this stuff. Yeah, a little too much, isn't it? So in order to this to be changed, I will have to remove the steering damper, take this 36 bolt here, But yeah, let's go. I don't know if I should remove this guy here. I didn't have time to take everything apart and remove this bulky stuff, but I think now that we don't have any fairing left, it's gonna be a good time to delete this bad boy. I'm pretty sure that it's just few wiring connections here that I have to... Cool, guys! It's going well. Now that we did take all the fairings off the bike, it's time to give it a wash, but first I have to take everything apart within the fairings. So front fairing is okay. This one here, I have to remove the seat from the back tail. Not the back tail, from the tail. Side panels, the tail itself, the undercarriage of the tail, and I have to remove the wings and the belly pan. So let's take this apart, and give it a wash.
Staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow, moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Well, we gave it a wash, so everything is washed with dish soap. because, well, we're gonna sand it afterwards, so I didn't have to worry about scratching it and this cat. So yeah, everything is washed nice and smooth. I have to prepare a little bit more washing with some wax and grease remover. And the materials that we have here to work today in this first step is plastic drop sheet. When I'm applying primer or when I'm painting, I'm gonna cover everything to avoid respray. Some hood covers, which is to protect myself, to protect my clothes and stuff. Tack cloth, wet, kinda, which is like the guy told me to use, and I can fold it and stuff. Normal tack cloth. Some spray masks. We have 5 here. We have 400, 800 and 1200 sandpaper, wet and dry and wet. I've got this 2X flat white primer because, well, the color of the bike will be really cool when we have this white primer instead of the gray and or black. Masking tape. I don't know if I will use it, but we shall see. And wax and grease remover. I'm gonna start now using the 400 grit to kind of scuff the fairings and see what is the result. After this one, I'm gonna jump to 800 just to give it a nice and smooth surface to work on. Shall I go? Yay!